What's going on, everybody? Ivan here with Models Detailing. I am out here on site working on a 2018, I believe, Dodge Ram 2500, and this vehicle has a dealer installed. I think it's called Perma Plus or something like that, Perma Coat, Perma Protect or something. I'm basically doing an experiment here, trying to see. I'm going to go ahead and pour some water over the panel, and although I understand that the hydrophobic effects of a coating doesn't necessarily mean protection. We can't really see if it's being protected or not. We'll only see that over time. But I'm going to do an experiment real quick with this dealer installed coat, which is, from what I understand, essentially a wax or strong sealant like jet seal or something like that. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with water real quick. We'll see what it looks like. Then I'll hit it with some Simple Clean 5-to-1 all in oh my god, I can't speak right now, all-in-one cleaner or whatever, all-purpose cleaner, and we'll see what happens. Again, this is just an experiment. Throughout the day, I need to get a coat on this car, ceramic coat on this car. I'm going to use G-Technique CSL. That's what customer wants. 3 to 5 year protection, 9H, great coating. But anyways, throughout the day, I'm going to be testing different panels on this vehicle and see how I can get rid of that. I'm going to go ahead and use the Simple Clean. Then I'm going to do a simple clean in just one area to see how it affects the vehicle. But I also have to use, I'm using right now fallout remover from Carbrite, so I'm also going to be doing a little bit of that. So you guys will get to see how the vehicle reacts to the different chemicals, and if this coat is really what dealership is telling you it is. Take one. Vehicle is still dirty. There we go, just hitting it with just regular water. I mean, and this is not performing like a ceramic coat at all. Mind you, this vehicle has been on the road for 2 weeks, I think. I hope you guys are catching that. This is definitely not performing on the level of a ceramic coat. All right. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you guys after I coat the vehicle how the ceramic coat performs, because it has to stay dry for 24 hours and I want to create more work for me. But I will show you guys what it looks like on a different vehicle. I've done a couple vehicles with ceramic coat, so I should be able to bring something up. I have a vehicle that I did 2 months after and it was still beating like crazy. All right, so here you got it. Give me just 1 minute, I'll be right back. Simple Clean. I'm literally just gonna spray some of this stuff on it and see what it does. Let it dwell for a couple seconds. See what it does to this Perma Coat, whatever that is. Here we go. Let's see. It's been dwelling for about a minute or so. Wow. Look at that. Who would have thought? It's crazy, huh? What dealerships do to make money. Fortunately, the customer did not pay for this, but here we go. Look at this, man. Water sticking to it like nobody's business. Again, I did no rubbing, I swear on everything. You guys saw me spray it. I waited about a minute and then I went ahead and just sprayed it. That was it. All right, I'm gonna spray different areas of the vehicle so you can see the difference. Here we go. All right, you want to know how I see that I didn't really scrub? Because up here I barely sprayed. Up here I mainly concentrated in this area, and you can see where it wasn't, the all-purpose cleaner was not spread it. I didn't touch it. You can see right here a difference. But yeah, man, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't fall for the dealership's marketing approach. They're gonna sell you this $600,000, $800,000 coating. I mean, I've heard that they install it in an hour. You have to bring the vehicle clean to them. That's just not possible, man. I wish I could do a ceramic coat in an hour. So don't fall for the word coat. Coating the phone, and I have to stop the video to change cameras. Anyways, so you guys have it. There you guys have it. I mean, it's just evidence right there. You can see some water beating right here. We can see it. And here, I mean, the water is just sticking to it. So what does that do to the dirt? After, I mean, I'm guessing after a couple, and also, I forgot to mention, this vehicle was waxed last week. So what's to say that this is the wax and not the Perma Coat performing, you know? It just makes me wonder, you know, don't fall for the marketing that dealerships have. You know, I'm not saying that they're a hack. I'm just saying that they overprice certain things because the dealership is going to get their cut. The detailer that's doing it is going to get their cut, and hopefully the wind is not messing with me right now. Let me go in the other car in front of me. So the detailer needs to get his cut. The dealership needs to also get their cut. So obviously they're not going to, you know, maybe the detailer says $100, and I mean, it's just a marketing approach. That's all it is. Don't fall for it. Putting a sealant on a vehicle is not rocket science. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video of that here soon. It's not rocket science, man. Don't fall for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, share it, whatever you want to do, go ahead. Thank you.